Well, afternoon from BCR. We got a little activity going on here. Yeah, it's been going on for a while. They're doing the old Tom Cruise risky business sliding across the floor and looking cute. And I mean, they're not doing any lip syncing or nothing, but it's pretty cute. Blizz over there must have won that battle with the lizard or whatever they're pulling on. B, she'll be headed for Waco, Texas when her new family comes up to do a little turkey hunting. I saw some nice toms today. It's got me thinking about maybe putting on some camo and hiding where ticks live. Hey, you crazy little dog. She's got mom wrapped around her finger already. It's excitement when mama gets home. Oh, a lot of tussling. It's better than TV. And they love Crocs, that's for sure. They're good for dusting the furniture that you don't want to bend over to get to. But they're hard on plants. That plant standing there, it's empty. I had to rescue it today, get it up out of reach. Puppy proof the house, as so many others that just went to their new homes have had to do, I'm sure. Yep. Oh, we're winding down maybe. Oh, we got a cat over there chasing something. Had a deer in the front yard here a minute ago. I'm glad they didn't see it take off after it. But this is a fun time, fun age. Wish it lasted longer. But there's some good looking puppies. And she's here one minute, gone the next. She's like her dad. She's a flash. Got to investigate the kitty cat. Well, hope y'all enjoy.